Welcome to the dawn of a new era in agriculture, where sprawling tropical fields meet cutting-edge technology to produce the world's finest organic pineapple juice today. Every single fruit is monitored with extreme precision, ensuring that only those at the absolute peak of ripeness are selected for our fully automated high-tech processing. Equipped with AI-controlled sensors, these autonomous harvesting robots navigate the terrain, picking each pineapple with unmatched delicacy to avoid any bruising or damage to the fruit skin. This smart harvesting system represents the pinnacle of modern farming, where labor-intensive tasks are transformed into a seamless flow of high-efficiency mechanical movements and digital oversight. A fleet of driverless transport vehicles carries the freshly picked harvest toward our state-of-the-art facility, ensuring the shortest possible time between the field and the factory. As the trucks enter the processing hub, the transition from nature to industry begins, maintaining a strictly controlled environment to preserve the natural freshness of the pineapples. Thousands of pineapples move in a rhythmic dance across the conveyor belts, their vibrant golden hues contrasting beautifully with the polished stainless steel of our modern machines. The scale of operation is truly breathtaking, as a river of fruit flows continuously through the plant, guided by an intricate web of belts and automated sorters. The cleaning process begins with a deep immersion in ozone-infused water, a powerful yet natural method to eliminate any surface impurities without affecting the fruit's delicate flavor. Millions of microscopic bubbles work in unison to scrub every crevice of the fruit, ensuring a level of cleanliness that far exceeds traditional washing methods. High-pressure jets then deliver a targeted spray, removing any remaining debris with surgical precision, leaving the fruit sparkling clean as it moves to the next stage. The intensity of the coating is perfectly calibrated to be firm yet gentle, ensuring the integrity of the fruit is maintained while achieving absolute purity for consumption. Powerful air blades then strip away the moisture, preparing the dry surface of the fruit for the highly sensitive optical sorting technology that awaits in the darkness. As they enter the scanning chamber, multi-spectral cameras and laser arrays analyze every square millimeter of the fruit's exterior to detect even the smallest hidden imperfections. Advanced AI algorithms instantly calculate the grace levels and internal quality, creating a digital twin of every fruit to ensure only the sweetest pineapples make the cut. With lightning-fast reflexes, the automated sorter rejects any fruit that does not meet our rigorous standards, maintaining a level of consistency that our global customers expect. The remaining fruit is then categorized by size and sugar content, optimizing the processing flow for the different product lines within the vast factory complex. Now entering the sterile zone, the atmosphere is strictly controlled to prevent any contamination as we move into the core processing stages of peeling and extraction. Precision is the hallmark of this stage, as the pineapples are aligned with mathematical accuracy that befits the most advanced peeling technology in the world today. A high-speed robotic arm secures each fruit onto a precision spindle, preparing it for the laser peeling process that will remove the skin without losing any juice. Watch as the ultra-thin laser peeling technology carves away the tough exterior, minimizing waste and preserving the nutrient-rich layer just beneath the skin of the fruit. The result is a perfectly smooth, golden cylinder of pure fruit flesh, untouched by human hands and ready for the next phase of high-precision carving and extraction. Next, an automated coring system strikes with millimetric precision, removing the tough central core in a single swift motion to ensure only the softest texture remains. Even the cores are not wasted, as they are diverted to a separate processing line for other uses. Embodying our commitment to a zero-waste manufacturing philosophy, the fruit is then sliced into uniform rings by a series of high-speed stainless steel blades, creating the perfect shape for our premium canned fruit selections. These rings are checked once more by high-resolution cameras for symmetry and color, ensuring that every can opened by a consumer contains only the most beautiful fruit. For our crushed and diced varieties, the fruit is processed through a high-precision isolation, resulting in perfectly uniform fruit maintaining a stellar texture and flavor. The speed of the dicing line is incredible, processing hundreds of fruits per minute while maintaining the strict quality standards that define our brand's global reputation. Human experts oversee the entire process from a distance, using digital interfaces to monitor every detail and ensure the automated systems are performing at their peak. The prepared fruit pieces now head toward the final processing stage, where they will be transformed into juice or prepared for their protective aluminum housing. Every drop of juice is a testament to the freshness of the source, captured at the moment of peak flavor to be shared with families all over the world. The juice extraction begins as our cold-pressed fruit machines gently crush the fruit, releasing a thick, golden nectar that contains all the natural enzymes and vitamins. This cold-press method is essential for maintaining the authentic taste of the pineapple, as it avoids the high temperatures that can degrade the fruit's delicate aromatic profile. The raw juice then enters a high-speed centrifugal separator, which removes any remaining pulp or fibers to achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent liquid texture. Within these massive vats, the juice is balanced for acidity and sweetness, ensuring that every batch meets our exact flavor specifications for a premium consumer experience. Our microfiltration process then removes any microscopic particles, resulting in a crystal clear juice that retains its vibrant color and nutritional value for a long shelf life. The storage tanks act as a reservoir of liquid gold, kept at a constant, chilled temperature to lock in the freshness until the moment of bottling. Precision monitoring of pressure and temperature is handled by our AI-driven control center, which makes real-time adjustments to maintain the perfect environment for the juice. In the central command hub, our engineers use advanced holographic interfaces to oversee the entire production line, ensuring a seamless flow from extraction to final packaging. Quality control is continuous, with robotic lab assistants performing chemical analysis on samples from every batch to guarantee the highest safety and nutritional standards possible. The complexity of the piping system is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to be completely self-cleaning and sterile to prevent any bacterial growth or contamination. A rapid flash pasteurization process ensures the juice is safe for consumption while preserving the volatile flavor compounds that give our pineapple juice its signature tropical taste. Now fully refined and sterilized, the juice is ready to be delivered to the high-speed canning line, where it will be sealed for its journey. We move from the fluid world of extraction into the precision world of packaging, where speed and accuracy are the keys to maintaining the highest production volumes. The production speed accelerates as thousands of sterilized aluminum cans move in perfect synchronization, ready to be filled with the pure essence of our harvested pineapples. Before filling, each can undergo the rigorous cleaning process using ionized air and sterile water, ensuring that the interior is absolutely free of any dust or particles. Our high-precision filling valves dispense the exact volume of juice into each can in less than half a second, minimizing oxygen exposure to keep the flavor fresh. The accuracy of the fill is monitored by laser sensors, ensuring that every consumer receives the exact amount of product promised on the label, down to the milliliter. Lids are applied and sealed in a fraction of a second by our high-speed sealing machines, creating a hermetic seal that protects the juice from the outside world. The integrity of this seal is crucial for the shelf life of the product, and our machines are calibrated daily to maintain a perfect, leak-proof bond every time. The sealed cans then pass through a thermal processing unit, where they are gently heated to ensure total commercial sterility, making them shelf-stable for years without preservatives. A rapid cooling phase follows, which stops the cooking process and preserves the fresh flavor and vibrant color of the juice, ensuring it tastes like it was just picked. The sight of these cold, fresh cans is a symbol of our dedication to quality, representing the successful union of nature's bounty and man's most advanced technological achievements. Next, the cans are adorned with our signature branding as high-speed labeling machines apply the graphics that will soon be recognized on supermarket shelves in every country. Every label is applied with flawless alignment, featuring a unique QR code that allows consumers to trace the journey of their juice back to the very field it grew in. Our AI-driven inspection system scans every single can for label defects or minor dents, rejecting anything less than perfect to maintain our premium brand image worldwide. The individual cans are then grouped and organized, ready to be bundled together for convenient transport and retail display in various international markets and local stores. Protective packaging is applied to ensure the cans remain secure during the long journey ahead, using recyclable materials that align with our company's strong commitment to environmental sustainability. The scale of the packaging hall is a testament to our production capacity, capable of processing millions of units per month to satisfy the growing global demand. Heavy-duty robotic arms take over the final heavy lifting, stacking the trays onto pallets with mathematical precision, ensuring the stability of the load for safe maritime transport. Once stacked, each pallet is tightly wrapped in protective film, creating a solid unit that is ready to be moved into our massive, fully automated smart warehouse. Our smart warehouse operates in near darkness, as autonomous forklifts navigate the aisles using laser guidance to store and retrieve products with 100% accuracy. This vertical storage system maximizes space and efficiency, allowing us to manage a massive inventory of fresh juice that can be dispatched at a moment's notice. The central AI brain tracks every single pallet, managing the inventory in real time to ensure that the oldest stock is shipped first, maintaining maximum freshness for consumers. As an order is confirmed, the system prepares the shipment, and a clean container is positioned at the loading dock to begin its journey to distant shores. The loading process is entirely automated, ensuring that every cubic inch of the container is utilized effectively, reducing shipping costs and the overall carbon footprint of our logistics. With a final digital signature, the shipment is cleared for export, documented by an immutable blockchain record that guarantees the authenticity and quality of our premium product. The container is sealed and secure, ready to travel across oceans and continents to bring the taste of the tropics to kitchens and dining tables around the globe. As the truck departs the facility, it carries more than just juice. It carries the pride of thousands of workers and the power of revolutionary agricultural technology. Back at the plant, the work never stops, as the cycle of harvest and production continues under the watchful eyes of our advanced artificial intelligence and dedicated engineers. The true test of our technology comes when a consumer finally opens a can, experiencing the burst of fresh tropical aroma that we worked so hard to preserve. From the sun-drenched fields to the final pour, every step of our process is designed to deliver the purest, most refreshing pineapple experience possible for you and your family. Seeing the joy that our product brings to people's lives is our greatest reward, driving us to continue innovating and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in food production. We invite you to join us on this journey of taste and technology, as we continue to lead the world in high-tech tropical fruit processing and global export excellence. Thank you for choosing our 100% pure pineapple juice. Taste the future of agriculture in every drop. Quality you can trust from our